We're all stand-up comedians. Everything.
I hope.
You know, for the one doing the interviewing, I don't think you are.
I'm trying to contain myself and be professional.
Opposite end of the stick. So there's a polarity to create that balance. You can't have a light without dark. You can't have dark without light. So polarities are really contingent on each other. Right, so
logical, subliminal no information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example.
And that would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it was, I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
Solipsism. Solipsism is one of those philosophical ideology that is predicated around the idea of only the mind that exists.
It says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else.
Evidence is a sort of circular.
Mirror projection.
Hertz was actually named after it. When you double the frequencies, lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language.
Because it says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just...
Because a premise is ambiguous. And a proposition is ambiguous.
It's empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy, of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend.
You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
No, that was the cocaine
just
or
pull
what,
a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled.
How
Let me hear that.
just pull a Teletubby.